programming the quantity of coffee and milk in the cup for the cappuccino, latte, flat white and hot milk buttons. The appliance is set by default to automatically deliver standard quantities. To change these quantities, proceed as follows. Place a cup under the coffee and milk spouts. Press and hold one of the function buttons until the message "Milk for Program Quantity" is displayed. Release the button. The appliance starts delivering milk. Once the required quantity of milk has been delivered into the cup, press the button again. The appliance stops delivering milk, and if required for the drink being prepared, after a few seconds, the coffee is delivered into the cup. Coffee for Program Quantity is displayed. Once the required quantity of coffee has been delivered into the cup, press the button. Coffee delivery stops. The machine is now reprogrammed with the new quantities of milk and coffee.